What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another very snowy episode. Today I'm gonna be going down to a local pond, and I'm going to be seeing if I could potentially hook into some creek chub. I don't really know if they're even in there right now, but yeah, we got a snow day going, so we are going to go check it out. I have my fingers crossed that there are some fish in there. I don't know, but there's only one way to find out, and that is to trek through the snow and find the fish. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, boys and girls, we just made it over to the spot, and there's an absolute ton of fish here. Holy smokes, I didn't think there was even that much. Oh yeah. This is the pond right here, boys and girls. Full of ducks right now, kind of snake. But yeah, this is the place we are going to be fishing. I'm low-key hyped. And yeah, let's get our lines in there. Take the dangerous trek down there. I got cleats on, so it's actually not that dangerous. We just gotta take the trek down here to this fence right here where I could stand, get this footing, and I'm just gonna be setting up right now. Guys, just hooked up with the first chub of the day. Holy smokes. It was actually kind of slow to start off with, so I'm low-key hyped right now. But there she is. I can't believe it. Off the ice rod, we got a soft water chub in the middle of December on a snow day. You know, life's good right now, I'm not gonna lie. Let's get this little buddy unhooked. And cheers, bud. Cool. Let's get another one. Alright, everybody, it's been about, 10 minutes since we hooked in that last chub. The bite seems to have slowed down quite a bit. Oh my god, never mind. We just got smacked. Sorry guys, a lot. I was gonna say we're gonna move, but we are definitely not moving. Totally scratch what I just said. Guys, we just hooked into an absolute giant. This is a big one, actually, I'm not gonna lie. He's fighting pretty hard on a little ice rod. Whew. Cool. You know what? This is not a chub, this is a shiner. That is definitely my PB golden shiner too. That is an absolute mondo golden shiner. Holy smokes. Put up a pretty decent fight as well. I gotta get this dude unhooked and get him back in there, but here is a good look. I'm gonna try to get a good look. You know what, never mind, we're not gonna get a look. We're just gonna get him back. Shiny McGee, and see ya, buddy. Oh yeah, he's all good. Cool. Alright guys, after hooking into that shiny McGee, I actually have not hooked into anything else for the past 10 minutes. So we're gonna walk down the pathway a little bit. There's a little creek that flows into this bigger pond that we were fishing before, and we're gonna see if there's anything sitting at the mouth. Fingers are crossed. Let's go. Well, gave that spot a pretty decent try. Maybe it was there for about 10 minutes. Nothing. So we're going back to the spot that we caught two fish earlier in the day. Dang it. I was hoping there might be a fish under there. I mean, last year I did catch a pretty decent white sucker under there, so I was hoping that we might be something like that, but there ain't, so off we go back to the shiners and creek chubs. Holy crap, guys, I just lost my freaking PB creek chub. Low-key cheese. That thing looked like a freaking record. Got him! No! Lost him again. Right now I'm standing on this little ledge, just ripping onto this pond, and I just freaking lost a big creaky. He just ate it. No, he missed it. Eat it. Got him this time. Let's go! Nah, this wasn't a big one. Still a nice little crick, but definitely not the big one I had on earlier. Cool. Into another giant creek chub. This one's giant. This one's probably, I don't know, 6 inches. I'm gonna pull him up with the ice rod. Holy crap! That's a heifer of a creekie. I have to be 100% honest with you. Look at that fish. Look at that creek chub. Holy smokes! Let's get him back. Good bud. Oh. Well, everybody, we are freaking snagged, and I think we got to snap her off, to be honest, because she's in an awful position. Oof, okay, I'll give you an update when this is sorted out. Alright guys, I'm just giving you the update now. We are done. We got 3 creek chub and a shiner, because I got snagged, and I could not get it undone, and I brought no more hooks. So, yeah, that's kind of unfortunate, but, you know what, whatever, you know why, because there is another day. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time on NC Outdoors.